So to sew this, I'm going to place my crotch on top of each other. I'll get my front pieces, I'll stitch them at the crotch line. So I've just stitched and I'm going to give it a good press. I'll press open my seams. Then after stitching, I'm going to open them up. I'll put the right sides facing the right sides. I'll place them on top of each other to stitch them on the sides. So I'm just going to get my pins. I'm going to pin the sides. Then I'm going to run a stitch. So after pinning, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and after sewing, this is how the sides look. Next, I'm going to stitch at this center here. I'm going to align them properly, and then I'm going to pin like I pinned the other sides of the shorts. Then after aligning and pinning, we're going to stitch and give it a good press. So I've just pressed, and look at how neat this looks. So next, we're going to sew on the waist and also hem. So we're going to take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to press to stitch, and after stitching we're going to start inserting our elastic waistband. So I'm just stitching where the elastic waistband is going to be. So I'm going to leave 2 inches opening. After stitching, this 2 inches will be for inserting the elastic band. So make sure you leave out the 2 inches for inserting the elastic band. So once we're done stitching, so this is the 2 inches I have left for inserting the elastic band. So before inserting the elastic band, we're going to hem the bottom parts, the legs. I'm just going to fold them and give a good press. So I'm just going to get my pressing iron. I'm going to fold and press. So make sure you press, guys. Pressing will help to give your full finished garment a professional finish, and it will look less homemade. So after pressing, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to run a hemming stitch. I'm going to hem them. Then after hemming, I'm going to start inserting the elastic band. So I've just hemmed the bottoms. So now I'm going to use my elastic waistband. So the length of the elastic waistband is going to be your waist measurement less minus 2 inches. So I'm going to be using a safety pin to insert the elastic. So this is the safety pin that I'm going to be using to insert my elastic. I'm just going to put it like you have seen. Then I'm going to insert it in this. Remember, we left out 2 inches for inserting the elastic. After inserting the elastic waistband, we're going to close that 2 inches opening. So I'm just going to insert the elastic, and once I'm done, I'm just going to be pushing it. So on this same line, it can be a bit tricky, but just keep pushing it as hard as you can until you go through. So I'm just going to continue pushing it, and once I have finished, this is how the 2 elastics are going to come out. Then I'm going to stitch and secure the 2 elastics together. So now I'm just going to run a stitch here. I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine, and I'll secure a stitch right on the elastic waistband, and after that I'm going to close the 2 inches opening that remains. Then after that is done, we're going to have our beautiful boys shorts pattern. Guys, thank you so much for watching this far. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've watched up to this far, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the little boys shorts. You can use the same procedure to make your own. You can also watch my shirt tutorial. Thank you for watching, and bye.